Okay, let's try one more time. MiKE.
Scanning. No tracks detected.
MiKE. Go. Come on.
Up scan.
And that place, I know it's a little bit too tight for him. He's always hitting something. The next video we try to take him out. Maybe during the day, maybe the weekend. MiKE. Go.
Sorry, I didn't understand that.
Me either.
I am
MiKE.
still here. Looking cool.
Yeah, it looks so cool, but you have to walk. MiKE. MiKE, walk or go. Come on. Oh, step by step.
Let's scan.
No.
Scanning. No tracks detected.
Why are you so shaky?
Scanning.
Just walk.
Scanning. No tracks detected. I am still here. Looking cool.
MiKE.
Beep boop.
MiKE, please.
I am bored.
Walk.
Scanning.
Hello.
No tracks detected.
MiKE. Go.
Beep boop. I am bored. Up scan. I am still here. Looking cool.
Move your feet. MiKE. Go.
Up scan.
He don't even listen to me. MiKE. Go.
Up scan.
I warn you now. MiKE. Go. Move your legs. Please do this.
Sorry, I didn't understand that.
Scanning. No tracks detected.
MiKE.
Scanning. No tracks detected.
MiKE. Go. Now. Oh,
Alright. Walking mode. Please do not push me.
but I have to. I didn't push you. Just hold you.
I look professional, yes. Stopping. My feet are tired already.
Yeah, but you didn't walk so
Okay,
much.
boss. I am waiting.
Try one more
Please
time.
bring snacks.
I'll try this direction now. And like there is not enough space, so that's why he's hitting all the time, something around. But with the next video, next test during the day, maybe I hope we take him out.
Scanning. No snacks detected.
MiKE, go, come to me.
Sorry, I didn't understand that.
Oh, MiKE.
Beep boop. I am bored.
Oh, MiKE, go. Come on, come. Pum, 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 pum.
Down scan.
MiKE, go. Come to me. Step by step. Huh?
Sorry, I didn't understand that.
Oh, will. MiKE, go. Please.
Sorry, I didn't understand that.
I am still here. Looking cool.
MiKE,
Beep boop.
MiKE.
I am bored.
Hello, MiKE.
Beep boop.
Be
I
boop.
am bored.
MiKE, go. Oh, step by step. Come.
Alright.
Alright.
Walking mode. Please do not push me. Step. I look professional, yes.
But you don't work professional. Anyway, he tried to move, he tried to keep balance, but there is still.
Okay, boss.
I will turn off his voice. I mean, he tried to do something, he tried to find balance. Alright guys, so now it's a time to get back to action, to work with our MiKE, like a humanoid walking robot. The progress goes slow, but I think the progress now is going in a really good direction. I already got my 2 new batteries. We're going to install them today. I'm going to make a test of stability. Where shall I put this? I have no space in my workshop now.
Sorry, I didn't understand that.
Scanning. No tracks detected.
We're going to make a stability test. Why are you so shaky?
Scanning.
Just walk.
Scanning.
We're going to copy and paste whole MiKE code, whole existed code. That code actually is a little bit tuned by AI, but I wanna show ChatGPT today that code, and then we're going to talk with him what we're gonna do, and I'm just gonna text him because this will be easier. So basically you can talk with ChatGPT, but with this text mode it's more accurate. Anyway, so hi my friend, it's time to get back to work on our MiKE. I will copy and paste his code, yes.
Scanning, no snaps detected.
So first, let's make him stable. Yeah, I'm gonna take that camera to show you what I mean exactly. So you'll see, I don't know how much you will see with the action cam on my head. So, oh my god. So let's do like this instead. So you'll see more what I mean. Here's the speed of the coding of AI. So ChatGPT say it can be a problem with the position or statements for his balance settings in the idle mode. So he each time like starting the new position. Okay. Let's try. Let's test it. Let's put him on the legs. Remove chains. So should I try AI or not?
No snaps detected.
This same.
Scanning.
He's falling back, even worse.
No snaps detected.
Maybe this is a...
Beep blue.
Okay, I just wanna see with this connect cable. Maybe this cable pull him also back.
Beep blue.
Oh, beep boop.
I am bored.
I wanna see what change. MiKE, go, 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 go.
Up scan.
I'm gonna hit you. MiKE, go.
Beep blue. I am bored. Alright. Walking mode. Please do not push me. Step. I look professional, yes.
Okay, so
Stopping. My feet are tired already.
he actually could walk stable, but the first move what he do, he just tilt his body forward. Why he's doing that? So let's maybe, I don't know. Which way one more time? MiKE.
Alright. Walking
Oh.
mode. Please do not push me.
I wonder if I won't hold him, if he will still walk.
Professional, yes. Scanning. No snaps detected. Deep
Let's
blue.
add some cool lights.
I am bored. Deep blue.
MiKE,
I am bored.
MiKE, MiKE, go.
Up sky.
So this is just a test of new ChatGPT code.
I am bored.
MiKE, go.
Alright. Walking mode.
Well, there is all the time something wrong with it. Let's take a camera. Don't fall down yet, I just need a camera. I will try to show you what I mean. So, he tried to... So, all the joints and axis works, you see. He tried to find balance. He tried to move whole body and everything. But somehow, he's still falling down. Okay, one more time. Voice on. Let's bring him back. Oh, he's so heavy.
I am still here.
I see.
Looking cool.
MiKE, go.
Sorry, I didn't understand that.
He's falling back. I think in the next test I will just turn off or disconnect MPU 6050 sensor, that gyro,
I am bored.
because this is He's just getting crazy because of that, maybe, or what? Mike, go.
Forward.
So basically he just don't listen. He has so many miss of understanding. Go. Maybe now?
Scanning. Scanning.
No, he just wanna
No
go
snaps
around and
detected.
scan.
Forward.
It's not
I am
that easy like I
still
thought
here.
before.
Looking
It's easy to
cool.
beat robot, make him talk, move, even move on the tracks around and recognize objects, but to give legs to robot and make them walk stable,
Move.
that's
I
really
am
difficult.
warned.
So,
Alright. Walking low. Please do not push me.
I don't push you. Now he decide to go by
I
self.
look professional.
So
Yes.
this is weird.
Stopping.
He's
My
doing what he
feet are
wants.
tired already.
Ah.
Okay, boss.
Go sleep.
I am
No, no, my
waiting.
drones.
Please bring snacks.
Just rest. Stay there. I mean, this is not that easy like I thought before. Of course, this is not easy. This is, but this makes this really fun. I won't give up, and I'm gonna try again and again and over to make him walk. And if ChatGPT will fail,
Fading right. Tactical scan.
but this is just a test of AI and ChatGPT, what ChatGPT can do with my robot code, then I promise you that robot will work.
Deep blue.
So see you in the next video then.